Now that I want to conclude this module, we have learned a lot about next generation JavaScript and some important JavaScript concepts. In general, you will meet a lot of things you will learn about in this module throughout the course. Don't be confused by it. It's still JavaScript, just using some more modern features. That's just how we write React apps. The next module, I will start now with React. Now, I will show you how to quickly create a project setup where we can use all these features while still shipping code that works in older browser too. With that, you are well prepared. Always feel free to go back to this module and have a look at a given feature if you forgot how it worked and you meet it in the course and want to refresh your knowledge. And with that, let's dive into React.